Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open a Moosend account. So to do that, head on to Moosend website, and once you're on your website you can just click on start free, and you have to enter your business email address. So I'm just going to enter my address. Alright, now you have to enter your login domain, so I'm just going to do that. Click on register. Alright, so let's fill in the password requirements, and here you have to fill in your company name and your address. Click continue. So in this page you have to fill in some details about your business, so let's do that. Now let's click continue. Alright, so now sign up has been complete. Now you have to check your email, so let's check our email, see if there is some verification, and there you go. Now all you have to do is click on this link and your Moosend account will be verified, and then you can use the Moosend freely. You can sign up to this Moosend with the link in our description. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.